Now I'm going to talk you through how to draw the structure of a polymer through using a past exam question as an example. What we've got here is a supermarket carrier bag that can be made from polyethylene. Polyethylene is produced from ethene, so this is ethene by itself. Poly just means multiple, so polyethylene literally means multiple ethenes stuck together. What we've got to do is we've got to complete the structure of polyethylene. So this is ethene, we need to complete the structure of polyethylene. I'm going to give you the answer straight away. This is what the answer is. Now, I'm betting most of you here are saying, yeah, okay, the single bonds between the carbon and hydrogens make sense because that's what's up here. The lines outside make sense to show that it's bonded onto other ones, that makes sense. But why is this double bond now a single bond? And what we really need to do is we need to know that this is just one molecule of ethene. It's going to form polyethylene, so it's going to form multiple of these all stuck together. So all I'm doing is I'm replicating ethene either side. And to create polyethylene, remember, it's a long chain of repeated units. At the moment, this isn't a chain because there's no bond in the middle here, and there's no bond in the middle here. These are three separate things. So what needs to happen is this carbon needs to form a bond with this carbon. And it does that by sharing a pair of electrons. And as it shares this pair of electrons, it creates this bond, but that means it's lost one electron to share with this one, so it actually loses this bond. It breaks this bond here. So it removes this bond and forms a bond between the two. Over here, the exact same thing happens. This carbon forms a bond with this carbon, and in doing so, breaks this bond. Same thing over here. This one forms a bond with whatever would be over here. We know it would be another carbon. Breaks this bond, and we need to make sure that this guy over here isn't left out. He also has a bond on the other side. So in short, as they form new bonds, they break the double bond in the middle. When you are drawing a polymer on the inside, you should never see a carbon-carbon double bond. There should always be single bonds with bonds going to the outside.